sky is blue. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. I'd be safe and warm if I was in Ireland. California dreaming, no, I'm sad to when it's
My God.
all the leaves are brown. If I was in California dreaming, I'm sad to when it's
My God.
I'm in love. I mean, the whole thing was like magic. I mean, this dog.
Thank you so much.
This was a level up.
Absolutely.
Genuinely a level up. I mean, when you said your dog can dance, he actually dances better than human dances we've had on. I'm not kidding.
I loved it. I love the both of you. I mean, it was incredible. The stopping, the starting, the anticipation, what's happening next.
It's energetic. It was like ballet.
Yeah.
I love your dog.
I love him too.
Okay, good. We're going to vote. Howie.
Yes.
Thank you.
Heidi.
It's a yes from me.
A big yes.
Thank you so much.
I'm not going to give you 4 yeses. I'm going to give you about 4,000 yeses.
Thank you so
That was unbelievable.
I'm really nervous. Like, it's now or never. Ready, sit?
Oh, hello.
Hi,
Who are you?
I'm Ember.
And who is this?
This is Nymeria.
Hello, Namera. What kind of dog is she?
She's a border collie.
Wow, gorgeous colourings.
Thank
and
you.
where are you both from?
We're from Holland.
Okay, and how...
Here we go.
Why have you come on Britain's Got Talent?
Oh, it's always been our biggest dream to achieve something like this, and now standing here, I almost cry. So I'm so thankful to be here. Thank you.
How old is Namera?
She's 2 years old.
And how often do you kind of rehearse?
Mostly every day. This routine took like 7 or 8 months.
Wow. Okay, this next 2 minutes could change your life. Good luck.
Thank you. You ready, girl? Ready? Twist, twist. Yes. Kom in, plaats. Sit. Good girl. Blijf, ready. Sit, ready. Go, stick him up.
Very, very cute.
Blijf, ready. Sit, ready.
Oh, that's amazing.
Ready, sit, ready.
Come on, everybody! Clap your hands!
Ready, go get it, Trini. Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. Finish.
Won't take long. We're going to the twist and don't fight this!
In, twist, wait, go. Yes, in, twist, wait, go.
We love a dog active on BBT.
Again. Last year.
Wow, that dog is quick.
Spin. Spin. Twist. Twist.
I love his shoes.
Backwards, guys.
That was incredible to watch. I was speechless. I mean, honestly, you've done an incredible job.
Unbelievable.
Thank you so much.
There's obviously such love between the two of you that it's wonderful to see. It's not just a talented dog, it's a very talented owner too. And the chemistry you have is absolutely fantastic.
You know I love Dog Act, but this was in a different league. I mean, it's the best dog act we've had since Ashley and Pubsy.
Wow, thank you so much.
And I could tell the dog was smart even before we started. I read this article the other day where they're saying that in years, collies will evolve so quickly that they could be like a dentist or something, they're saying.
Right?
Where was he reading that? In the Beano?
And this is, I think, proof of that.
This is proof that a dog can do dentistry.
Yes.
Okay.
We're going to take a vote.
This is the easiest yes of all time.
It's a yes from me. It's a yes from me.
4 yeses. I mean, amazing.
She was so quick.
And we saw stuff we'd never seen before.
How did that feel out there?
Oh, crazy. It's a dream come true. So, wow. Good girlie, yes.
Oh, you did so well.
Without you.
Don't encourage him. No, ignore him.
We do, surprisingly, have a TV show we have to make.
It's all yours.
Good luck, Diane.
What's your name, please?
My name is Diana. I'm from St. Petersburg, Russia, and I'm going to show you a dog act.
Fantastic.
Oh my God, it's done. Simon's gonna love it.
How long have you been training dogs for?
For like 15 years.
Okay, well, we love dog acts Is this something different to what we've seen before with the dog act?
I really hope so.
Okay. I was going to say, do you have any pets? But obviously, you do. So good luck.
Thank you very much.
Oh my God, I can't wait.
That is amazing.
Honestly, adorable. Where do we start? Oh, look. Go on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Good boy. Good boy. Stay. Amanda, you love that.
Oh, I loved it so much. It was just the cutest thing, especially when they kind of rolled over. They were like the tide coming in.
You have done an amazing job with them. Like, everybody knows it's difficult just training one dog. You've got 5 of them. I honestly applaud you for that.
David.
Well, the good thing is Ant and Det can have a ride home on their backs. We actually had some amazing dog acts on this show, and we hadn't seen this. I sort of want to take them all home.
They are absolutely beautiful. An interesting fact about Dachshund sausage dogs, whatever you want to call them, is in the future, police dogs like German Shepherds and things like that, they are going to be replacing them with 50 of those to every 1 German Shepherd.
Really?
Yep. You do not want to mess with 50 sausage dogs.
Wow!
Right, we're going to vote. David, yes or no?
Of course, I'm going to say yes.
It's a yes from me.
It's a yes from me.
You have 4 yards. Congratulations.
Yeah, okay.
Come on, then. Let's get you on. Come on, everybody would love to see him.
Come on.
And you, obviously, and you. Second, of course.
Mainly him.
Mainly him.
Can you be a dog?
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Now, introduce the 2 of you, please.
Okay, sit. I know, not yet, not yet. We say that for in a minute, right. Okay, I'm Aaron, and what's your name? Yeah, good boy.
Oh my God, he can speak.
That's Buddy. He's saying his buddy.
I got that.
Yeah. Shh, not yet. You're ruining the surprise.
Tell me why you're both here.
Down. Basically, me and Buddy have developed a real bond, and he is now my best friend.
He's gorgeous.
After my wife, might I add. And I was playing the guitar when he was about 12 weeks old, and he just started what he's about to do.
Sing.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
You've been waiting
This
for
is his dream.
Pretty serious.
Sing.
Sing.
The dog is going to sing.
Sing.
Amazing.
We've kind of developed it over the months, and he likes to sing to songs.
I am so excited. This could be history in the making here.
Well, let's hope so.
I cannot wait for this.
Are you going to come under? Come under. Under. Sit, sit. Right, are you ready? We're going to sing. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
He's singing. Sam, you did it. Put him through.
Amanda.
Do you know what? I absolutely love that because he was very animated. I could see he was trying to really enunciate the words. So it was
tried.
very clear. For a minute, I didn't realise that was a mic, and I thought maybe it was like a dog translator because you can buy those.
Oh, really?
Yes, so I'm thinking that could really enhance this act.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
He definitely needs one of them.
Yes.
David.
Well, I think singing is a big word, isn't it? I mean, it made some noises as you played the guitar. I couldn't make out the individual lyrics. But, you know, the two of you are adorable. The connection between the two of you is adorable. So, thank you so much for bringing Buddy along today. We've all fallen in love with him.
I actually thought the dog was going to sing in English. I mean, I really, really did. I thought this is going to be a first, but he actually just barked the whole way through the song. So I'm really disappointed.
Why the translator?
If we gave him a translator, would it be the actual words of the song?
It might not be the words of the song, but he would definitely translate what he was saying.
Well, can we get him one?
Well, why don't we put him through to the next round and then do it then?
It's like, how do we say no to that
We can't
little
say
phrase?
no. Let's take a vote. I'm going to kick it off with a big, fat, four-legged yes.
Alicia?
I mean, yeah, I was honestly just about to say no, but I looked into Buddy's eyes and I just fell in love, so I'm saying yes.
David?
You got me on hello. I'm going to say yes.
Well, look, based on the fact if this translator exists, which means that when he barks, he's actually singing, I have to say yes.
Also, he could give Dec a ride home tonight. Be nice for him.
Thank you.
Translators. But they're from Japan, I think.
Well, we've
You
got to
can buy
get
them
one.
for cats as well. My cat talks quite a lot.
Hello. What's your name?
My name's Lucy.
What's the name of your gorgeous dog?
His name is Trip Hazard.
Trip Hazard.
Well, Trip for short.
Is he called Trip Hazard because you literally do trip over him?
Yeah.
And just to be clear, there's only one of them, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, there's only one dog. Yeah.
Never know.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Oh, it's too cute. Now I'm feeling optimistic.
Good.
should have jumped over on hind legs.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank
Good.
you.
Right, introduce me, please.
I'm Ashley, and this is my dog Pudsey.
Pudsey.
Pudsey, yeah.
He's gorgeous. How old is he?
He's 6.
Okay, so tell me about the two of you. When did you first meet?
My mum gave him to me for my 11th birthday.
Okay, and how old are you?
I'm 16.
Okay, so you're at school.
Yeah.
Okay, so where do you see the two of yourself if you were to win this show in a few years' time? I'm looking for Oscars. Do you think your dog and you could win an Oscar?
Yes.
Oh, he has pricked up at that, look.
Yes,
He's heard Oscar, he's like, yeah.
Good. Best of luck.
Thank you. Pudsey, come on, Puds. Good boy. Ready?
He's a cute little thing, isn't
Good
he?
boy. Ready?
Lovely.
Sit. Right.
Oh.
Head down.
I want him.
A doggy star is born. That's what we're doing.
Brilliant. Alicia.
You and Pudsey are adorable. I've been dying to see a dancing dog. That was fantastic.
Thank you.
Well done.
Good boy.
Everything about that was brilliant. Chemistry between the two of you. I was completely blown away.
You know me, I love a dancing dog. I do. And Pudsey's one of the best dancing dogs I've ever seen. We've got this great connection between the two of you. My only criticism would have been I would have put Pudsey in a prehistoric outfit as well. Do you think Pudsey would change if he won the show?
I think he could go a bit diva, maybe. A little bit. He gets what he wants.
Okay, well, we're going to have to vote now. David, yes or no?
1,000,000% yes. Loved it.
Alicia?
It's a yes from me.
Ashley, and more importantly, Pudsey, you're through to the next round. 3 yeses.
That's amazing.
What about the judges' comments? Some great comments.
I know. Oh, it's when they stood up at the end. I was just like, oh god, it was brilliant.
That was heaven for me, because I love the Flintstones. I love dog acts. Heaven.
Well, listen, well done.
Thank you.
Well done. Well done, Puds.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, Puds. Good boy.
Well done, Ashley.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello there. You met our boy?
Well, boy, horse. I've never seen a dog so big.
Well, he weighs in at 81 kilos.
What?
We came across these breed a few years ago. And
It's given up. Should we all get down?
We can get down,
Come on.
I think. We
Let's
can
all
manage.
Come on. We've all lost the will. So if you just switched on, anything the dog does, we've got to do. Oh,
Because
oh.
he's nibbling his paw.
Guys, Hagrid's closed his eyes. Oh, it's come up. We're licking each other.
I'm not doing that to you.
What?
Oi, that's my wife.
That's his wife. oh, come on, a little lick.
Shall I show him? Shall I
little
show you?
lick.
Shall I show
A
you?
little lick. Come on.
Yeah.
There you go.
I'm not going to do the other thing he licks.
Come on, Hagrid, you need to do something exciting to finish this interview off. Because otherwise we've hit a new low. Oh, what's he going to do?
Oh.
He's actually making out, guys. Oh, how old are you?
56.
56, and what about yourself?
56.
Wow. There we are. Oh, well, do you know what, guys?
Actually, do you know what?
Oh, jeez. I thought the dog was going to attack me.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello there.
Who are you?
I'm Sarah, David, my husband.
Yeah.
How long have you been married, Sarah?
10 years.
What made you come here today?
Well, we're going to try to create a brand new Guinness World Record.
I'm excited to hear about this world record. Tell me about it.
Well, it involves...
Catching sausages.
I'm in.
If I can introduce you to...
Hagrid.
So just explain what you're going to do now.
Well, it's a brand new record we're going to try and create. We need an adjudicator.
You're on. Chris, you're on. Very smart, isn't he?
Very
Good
smart.
beard.
Nice blazer.
Yeah. Always just a man with a beard. Man with a beard and a stopwatch.
I'm here today to officiate over the fastest time to catch 10 items by a dog.
Yes!
Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you ready?
That's okay.
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2.
Stay.
Okay.
Right, you ready?
Yeah.
In 10 seconds, starts now. 1, 2. Oh. 3. 4. Stop. 4. Is that a record?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I was just counting.
Ready?
We're ready.
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. a finish time of 14.7 seconds. It is a brand new Guinness World Records title. Congratulations, you're officially amazing.
Henry did it!
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Well, I love that you've devoted your life to something so worthwhile.
Right, yes or no, David?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a yes from me.
Right, let's come up with something really incredible, okay?
Yes.
No more sausages. It's 4 yeses.
Thank you.
You know how we do it, baby? Yeah. Keep it so fresh. Fell out the saddle a few times. Had to get back on. Got up on my grind. Yeah, got my bottle of moonshine. Haters to keep hating. We paying them no mind. Saddle up, saddle up. Saddle up.
Did not expect that.
We want to be surprised. We want to see things that you don't see every day, and you did deliver on both those categories.
I was gonna say, normally the yes is a bit loud, but I don't want to startle the horses, so yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
4 yeses.
Can I just ask, am I allowed to come up and meet the horses? Yes.
Go meet the horses.
Why? Trish, these are heavy. Carry them.
I got it. I got it.
This is an exciting moment for Trish and Lily. All right. We were doing a huge talent show. Now we have a petting zoo. And Daisy May is a...
Well, she is an agility dog.
Agility?
Yes. We took a fun agility class, and our trainer was like, I think maybe you might want to take this a little further.
What does that sound?
I'm talking to the dog,
Being a little
okay?
kid.
Look at her tail, look. I'm making her feel good. Oh, look.
Oh, look at the friend.
That is Clifford. He's in training right now.
Wow. Last year, our winner was a dog.
Yes.
Do you think you can win?
She loves to perform. You'll see that. It's amazing. I think we're going to surprise you.
Really? All right. I wish you the best of luck. Dazzle us.
Yeah.
You've just lowered the bar. No pun intended.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, let's go, Amy! Woo!
Okay, let's go. Tiger. Yes. Daisy May.
Mama told me when I was young, we're almost superstars.
We.
She rolled my hair, put my lipstick on, and the glass
Back and forth. I think the audience wants to see Clifford do it.
Hello. Let's do it. Come on.
Shows us how hard it is.
Daisy, the Italian Clifford. What's up?
I don't know, they just want to be in showbiz. I don't think those two do. That's my honest opinion. I can't say yes, unfortunately, to this. It's a no for me. Sorry. She's upset, look.
She's very sad.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, look at that. So cute. All right, Sophia.
I really had a fun time watching you guys. But I think you guys still have a lot of work to do. So this is something I'm gonna have to say no to.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye, Daisy. Bye, Clifford.
So who's this one?
So this is Strike, and he's
Strike.
a 5-year-old border collie.
He looks very smart.
He's already doing his thing, aren't you?
He is, isn't he?
Oh my goodness me.
Okay, no more questions.
Okay.
It's lovely to have you back.
Oh, it doesn't feel right until we've seen at least one dog act.
Ruff, ruff. Aroo.
Sit, stay.
Oh my God, that dog is real.
Your sleep, you got a brain of magic never fails. You got some power in your corner now, some heavy ammunition in your game. You got some punch, yeah, who and how. See, all you gotta do is get that.
What's up, the bugbear? Fantasy Dogs Home.
You ain't never had a friend like me. I feel so restaurant tonight.
Wow.
Whisper what it is you want. You ain't never had a friend like me. Yes, sir.
I love it.
Have some of column A, try all of column B. I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Oh my God, this is amazing.
Oh yeah. Friends do this.
There's another one.
Friends do that.
That's Trick Husband.
Do this.
Come on, Trick.
Can your friends go poof?
Look at him, he's doing this. He's doing this.
Bless her. On the job, you big nabob. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend.
The dog is on the dog.
I'm actually speechless.
Bruno, that was like the show you used to do.
Strictly Dogs Dancing.
I'm a bit of a beginner here, but really was like a full review of dogs. The synchronized spinning was incredible. For me, it's the best dog act I have seen.
Alicia.
Oh my goodness. The fact that you decided to come back on the show and audition tells me a lot about you and your competitive spirit, which I love.
Oh, thank you.
That is absolutely brilliant.
Amanda.
You are incredible because I can just about get my dog out in the garden for a week. It was incredible, and I agree with Bruno. I would go far as to say this is one of the best dog acts we've ever had on the show.
Oh, thank you.
What you did is actually impossible.
I was scared, to be honest.
You came really close to winning,
Yeah.
and then you thought, okay, how can I make it better? Well, you did. I've never seen and act like this. It was like the big dogs were training the little dogs. It was incredible. I think I know where this is going. Bruno.
Yes, yes, yes.
Alicia.
I'm saying yes. Thank you.
It's a yes for me.
Thank you.
4 yeses. Can I say hello? How do you do it?
A lot of treats, to be fair.
Yeah.
A lot of treats.
And you are so smart, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're so beautiful. We're so smart. Okay, well done to
Thank
you.
you.
And I'm really happy you came back.
Oh, thank you. That's
Yeah.
really lovely.
No, you're
Really
going to do
brilliant.
great.
Light it up on the run. Let's make love tonight. You'll never be alone. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. Oh, baby, I'm right here. I'll hold you when things go wrong. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn.
Și că dansează câinele când merge așa, știi? Uite.
Cred că e pur și simplu... Ce face el aici sunt astea de dresaj,
Exact,
efectiv de
exact.
dresaj, nu e mai puțin show, știi?
Da, da, da.
Baby, I'm right here. We were shot like a jacket, so do yours here. We would roll on the rapids to find a way that fits. Can you feel the wind dies? Can you feel it?
Pentru că vezi că el înțelege din semne, practic, e dresaj fără vorbe.
Cause I wanna touch you, baby. I wanna
Doamne.
I wanna see you sunrise and your sins, just me, you light it up on the run. Let's make love tonight. You'll never be alone. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. Oh, baby, I'm right here. You'll never be alone. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. Oh, baby, I'm right here.
S-au înțeles din semne, deși Eli cu siguranță știe românește. Sunt legați unul de altul, comunică, lucrează împreună și au...
Thank God for that.
Simon, oh, this one's for Simon.
Oh, Jasper.
He looks like Barry Manilow.
Dog's not doing anything.
Oh, Jasper, give us a tune. Just one woof.
He does not like that.
He wants out.
Never has a dog wanted to leave the stage more.
He wasn't feeling it today.
Don't think he likes you singing very much. Well, it's true. Why are you doing? So I'm going to say no. Oh, shut up.
I think today I'm going to say no. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, and we've got to remember we're looking for an act that can go on live television, that can sing for the royal
Would be
family.
great on live television.
And, you know,
So are you saying no, Daisy?
yeah, I'm going to say no
Okay.
today. And
Nice to meet you all.
I can see why he didn't say anything. There's a lot of pressure on him. Great. What's your name?
My name's Michelle.
And who's your lovely friend?
This is my best friend, Mouse.
Mouse? So tell me the big dream for Michelle and Mouse.
I would love him to be a model.
A model?
Yeah.
Oh, he's like Kate Moss.
Michelle, what would you do with the money if you were to win?
He would be using it to get himself a pair of new hips.
I would probably do that if I had the money as well.
I'm guessing he's gonna sing.
Yeah.
He's singing. The dog's singing.
Stage is yours.
We've had this before.
Yeah, we have had
and
this.
they never sing.
That song.
This is your song, is it?
I'm running out of patience because I can't believe
That's an Alicia song. To be fair, I do that when Alicia comes on the radio.
I can't feel it. Don't compare to this heat that I am feeling. I love you too much. It shows all my emotions.
Backing vocals.
Can't forget to breathe slow. Count from 1 to 10 with my eyes closed.
Maybe it's a cry for help. Well done, Mouse.
Why breathe slow?
I don't know. He chose it himself.
Simon, what did you think?
Well, you know, sometimes you hear a great song and you just think, you know, it can't be better. But actually, that was better than the original, in my opinion. And I'm being serious, and I don't say that very often.
If you did go forward, then maybe Mouse and Alicia could perform together.
It'd be different. I like a challenge.
I almost pressed that.
I thought the whole thing was very charming, very unexpected, so I'm going to say yes. Thank you.
It's a yes from me.
I'm going to say yes to Mouse as well.
Mouse, you've got 4 yeses.
One step closer to those new hips.
Thank you so much.
Well done, Mouse.
That was amazing.
That was hilarious.
Are you gonna do an album with Mouse?
Well, I could maybe have Mouse featured on a remix. What do you reckon?
ようこそジャパンズゴットタレントへお名前お願いします。
はい、伊藤哲郎です。よろしくお願いします。
今日はどういうパフォーマンスを？
今日は実は僕一人じゃなくて相棒がいるので呼んでもいいですか？
どうぞ呼んでください。はい。
サニーおいで。イエーイ。相棒のサニーです。よろしくお願いします。
なるほど。
はい。ドッグダンスといって私とサニーでちょっと一つのダンスの表現をさせていただくんですけど、
なるほど。
サニーとの出会ってからの日常生活をちょっと楽しくハッピーに描きたいと思いますので楽しみに見ていただけたらと思います。
あー、かわいい。
サニーと出会ったのは雨が降りしきる寒い冬の夜だった。君かわいいね。一人ぼっちかい？僕も一人ぼっちなんだ。じゃあ一緒に暮らそう。サニーがうちに来て毎日がキラキラ輝き始めた。サニーとの暮らしは充実したものだった。それがまさか1年後、いつも優しいサニーに僕は少し甘えていたのかもしれない。仕事が忙しくなり楽しい時間が減っていき、そしてまさかこんなことになるなんて。 昔誰かが言った。幸せは探すものじゃない、気づくものである。その意味が痛いほど分かった。サニー、これからも